Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. It's Dynamic John Mickle from Dynamic Carpet Care, and I get asked all the time about stains, but one of the ones I get asked all the time is I've got Kool-Aid stains on my carpet. How do I get those out? Well, I'm going to show you how. What you do is you're going to mix up a bottle of warm water and dish detergent, just a couple of drops, mix that up in a spray bottle. Next, you're going to take a white cotton towel, and then you're going to have a steam iron. Of course, let's plug the steam iron in. Take your solution, spray the Kool-Aid stain. Take your damp white towel, put it over the Kool-Aid stain. Now, take your steam iron, put it on top of there, and iron that area just for a couple of seconds, a little bit of pressure on that. What you're going to do is once you lift the iron up, you're going to see the stain, the Kool-Aid stain is being transferred onto the cloth. So repeat those steps a couple of times until it's completely transferred. If the stain seems like it's still there, then what you want to do is contact a local professional in your area, or you can contact me personally at www.dynamiccarpetcaretampa.com. And remember, everyone, keep it clean, my friends.